Hello everyone, Aaron is here at the CodeTips, and today I'm here with another tutorial, and we're going to be focusing on what is inline and block level elements. So we will learn today what are inline and block level elements, what is the difference between them, and what is their use. So let's get started. So I'm here on CodePen and I named the file inline and block level elements. So if you're following me on CodePen, then you will be able to see the code, download it, copy it, whichever way you like. So let's begin. First of all, we need to learn what is inline and block level elements. So when we say inline level element, it simply means any element that stands one after the other. So let's say we write something here, 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 and here. Then if all of them are inline element, then they will appear right next to each other. So for example, I'm going to write span. Span is an inline element. And I'm going to write here, let's say I'm just going to copy it so we will not take too much time. And I will write here M. Aryan. So if you will see that even when I have placed 3 different lines, as a result it is showing us only one line, I am Aryan. Why? Because span is inline element. In case if it was block level element, then they would have come differently. For example, paragraph. So P for paragraph is block level element. So I'm going to do exactly the same here. I'm going to copy it and paste it 2 more times in the end. And I will just name it M Aryan. So you can see in inline element, even I wrote in 3 different lines, it came in one line, I am Aryan. And when I wrote P, because it's a block level element, it is showing me I am Aryan in 3 different lines, because block level elements take the entire line, as the whole browser is one line for the block. So even if it's only one letter, it is taking the whole line. So that's why when there's another element, it will come right under it. Let's say if I had not placed the paragraph element one under the other. So let's say I had kept them right next to each other. Even though you can see they are appearing one after the other, one under the other. So this is an inline element to show things in one line, and this is a block level element to show everything in separate lines. So what's the main difference in between both of them? We use the inline element only when you want to display things in a row. For example, an image. So I have here an example for image. So I'm going to write img src for source. I'm going to paste the link right here. I took this image, just a random image from the Google, but for the tutorial purpose. So don't try to use the images like this from the Google because of the copyright reason. And make sure whenever you want an image to be used, take it from a legal place or buy it. But for tutorial purpose, I just took one image and I placed here. So you can see that image is inline element. So when I placed it under the span, which is also line element, it is coming in one line. You can see. Why? Because it is inline element. In case I just take this element image, I cut it from here and I paste it even in line with block level element. See? Even I place it in line, block level is pushing it down because it doesn't want to put anything in here because it has occupied the whole area. So inline element is coming under it. So let's say if I wanted to place this image twice, what happens? Both images are going to come under it. Why? Because there is not enough room. But if there was enough room, maybe I'll try to find, if there was enough room, then it would have taken in the same line. So let's use some CSS. I would write img max width 30%. Okay, so now I'm just gonna get rid of this because I had copied everything. And now you can see the image is appearing right next to it because image is inline element. So I'm going to copy this again and I'm going to paste one more time. And it's going to appear again in the next, because the reason is image want to appear like a gallery. That's why it's inline image. In case we do not want image to be inline element, we can change it to be block element. So I will just add here another property called display block. And now all the image went one under the other. Why? Because now they are taking the whole available room on the browser. So this is inline and block level elements. So I'm gonna give here a chart of all the inline and block level element. My recommendation is you try them in your editor or use a CodePen and practice, because practice makes perfect. So here is the list of block level element. As you can see here, we have article, aside, address, block codes, canvas, dd, div, field set, paragraph. So go through them and use them and write anything inside these elements, and you will see that anything you write is going to appear in the new line. And here is the list of inline elements. So also give them a try, use them, practice with them, and you will find anything you write in these elements, they will appear right next to each other. So this was the tutorial. If you have any questions, please comment below. If something was not clear, please write me and I will try to make another tutorial.